Mostly our clients around here are residential customers. We do lots of, around the 5 kilowatt mark seems to be a pretty standard size for a lot of residential homes. So down here on the far south coast we have a pretty salty environment, which is important to choose the right sort of equipment to go on your roof because it's going to be exposed to all that sort of weather elements. They do double the international standards for the salt and corrosion testing. Also their panels are nicely powder coated so that the salt doesn't penetrate into the modules at all. And they perform really well in this sort of low light, high heat sort of zone that we're in. They're a higher efficiency panel. Basically that means that they produce more power. If they produce more power you're going to save more money, and basically that's what it's all about. So lately we've been seeing a lot of systems, a lot of customers coming to us, so they've got systems in that sort of 5 to 6 year mark. We come and inspect a lot of these systems and what we find is that they're producing very little power, and as a result of that they've chosen the cheap system, and 5 years down the track the system's not really producing what it was meant to do. So commonly we're coming in, we're replacing them with a higher performance, high quality system. Yeah, so therein lies the reason why you should be buying a quality solar system now. So the biggest differences between premium panel on the market versus say a tier 1 type of Chinese panel is purely just the quality of the panel. So with all premium quality systems, you do get what you pay for. If you buy a cheap system you'll get exactly that. If you buy a premium grade solar system then you'll get a really good solar system that will last the distance. It's really a long-term investment to buy solar. You've got to look beyond the 5 year mark. It's going to keep producing at that high level for longer.